quick and simple. I'm going to teach you how to make homemade vanilla extract, which is 2 ingredients. Ready? It's never too early to start thinking about Christmas. These are some really unique Christmas presents that you can make for friends and neighbors. Super easy. You just have to do it early because it really takes 7, 8, 9 months for it to sit real good. We're making homemade vanilla. This vanilla I had started probably about 3 weeks ago, I guess. And it starts out clear because we're gonna make some right now. I ordered these little bottles, thought they would be fun to have in your cabinet. They're reusable. So it's really 2 ingredients, y'all. I had Jim pick up this bottle for me. Any kind of vodka, or you can use bourbon if you want to. But you get your vanilla beans. I ordered those online. And the thing is, you have to open up your vanilla bean. And this is my favorite knife. This is my tomato knife that my daughter gave me. It's kind of hard to do with these little beans, but you just need to open them up. I cut mine in 2. Pop them in your bottle. Here you go. This all came with my little kit here. They were just empty little bottles like this. They came with labels that you can label whatever you want to put on them. Merry Christmas, you know, whatever year. It doesn't go bad. It gets better with age. But here you go. All you have to do is put about 5 of these vanilla beans sliced in 2 in your bottle to get ready for your extract making. You'd never believe this was so simple, would you? Fill it up, and this is how it's gonna look. Even when you add those extra beans in, it takes it a while to even start turning the color of vanilla, or brown. But you need to store it in a dark place when you get it all ready to go. So I'll finish up and put some more beans in that. But all you have to do then is just pop that little top up, push it down, and it's sealed up, ready for a homemade Christmas present.